Good morning. Today we are talking about POPI compliance. We are excited to share that Photoset has an update regarding POPI compliance. Okay, so as you know, with the POPI Act, we require parental consent before sharing a child's images onto the class gallery. We do highly recommend you ensuring your business is included on the POPI Act consent forms that the school sends out each year. This approach not only simplifies compliance, but it also makes it easier for your parents to access their children's images if they are on the class group. It does lead to a much smoother experience for the parents, but it also for you it does lead to improved sales. However, we do now have a new enhanced security option for schools and parents that require a higher level of security. This option assigns a unique password for each child's this option assigns a unique password for each of the child's images. This means instead of accessing the full class gallery, the parents would only be able to see their images using their designated password. It does mean that you will have to supply Photoset with that information, the image numbers connected to the password. We have created an option where we simplify how you can do this. Long term, we will be looking at instructing you on how to tether your computer and your camera when shooting to capture this information as you shoot. But for now, we have created as an option for you. So what you would do, you would set up your gallery completely normally using your usual steps, and you would set a password here. This password is an admin password. You wouldn't share this with your parents or your galleries because this password will give you access to the full gallery. Okay, so what we've given you here is a little image level password button. So if you click on that, you will get your full gallery as a CSV file. So basically it's got your image numbers on it, and a space for you to provide the unique password. So what you would do is you would download this as a CSV file. You would pop over to your downloads and whoops, there we go. So that is the CSV file as it comes out of the Photoset. There's a field for the class gallery, there's a field for the image numbers, and then you would put in your unique password. This one does actually need a unique password. So what you would then do is fill in all your unique passwords in this field here, and I have, for the sake of speed, already done that. You fill in all your passwords, and you then something worth mentioning, if you do have a class photo, you would need to put all your children's passwords into this field for the class photo, so that each child would also be able to have access to that image. Once you've completed your passwords, you would need to save it as a CSV file again. So whatever program you're using, make sure you export it as a CSV file. We are going to save that as password. Replace password 1. We are going to then pop back to Photoset. We are going to use this button here to upload the passwords. Let's find our password 1, upload, voila. Okay, so now you've got all your passwords. You can face out the way. You can save that. Okay, that's saved. So we go back to our gallery. Just make sure they have saved. Yeah, saved. Okay, so then if we go to our gallery and put in our password, see. Okay, so those are the images that we have allocated passwords for that child. Let's just show you again. Let's say password 3. I think there was only one. For password 1 or 2. Okay, as you can see, this image is the common one. Okay, so I hope that has helped. And is going to help in the future. As usual, any questions at all, do give me a shout. I'm happy to help. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.